Hey guys, I'm ac- I actually am awake at 11:58, and I'll be playing Mario Maker 2. I don't have any editing software, so wake up. I'll be the first one to play it. Hopefully, I wanted to achieve something in my life. And hopefully, in a minute, I can watch Failboat's live stream and play the game. Too bad I have no idea how to record. Okay, you can see the games that I have. The games. But the best one, this is the best camera angle, by the way. And, oh right, I forgot, my left controller is broken. Uh, I don't know how about this. It's midnight. I heard it. It's midnight. Come on. Come on. I heard it. Come on. Come on, it's midnight. I can't wait to watch Failboat's version. I'm basically spamming A right now. Come on. I want to do this. I can't live stream on mobile because of the stupid 1,000 subs. Can't wait to get 1,000. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so the lights are off now. As you can see, everyone in the house is sleeping except for me, who is eager to play Mario Maker 2. Come on, it's already past midnight. It's 12:01. We just want to get over with this, alright. I downloaded a lot of demos so I can try other games. Come on. I need this. It's been 3 minutes in and I'm already doing this. How long am I gonna take? It's basically the next day today. Mario, why do you do this to me and Luigi? I have to be really quiet because everyone in my house is sleeping and so is the entire neighborhood. Come on. Alright, if you watched the previous video, then you're in for a treat for this terrible quality. Oh, nearly canceled. Come on. We just want to play some Mario Maker. How long does it take? It's like waiting. Oh, I think I remember a certain Failboat video that actually did this. Shut up, I want to play the game. It's basically the next day. Oh, come on. We're so close, boys. Turbo Luck, Turbo Luck, Turbo Luck, Turbo Deluxe. We got the Kerbo, and we have to do this. Kerbo will be mad if we don't do this. I have literally no other source of technology other than my school computer, but I don't really use that much anymore because the school year ended and then I just stupidly kept it. I had a choice if I had to keep it or not, and I kept it just for the look on my table. I could have used that for lunch. Oh yeah, and that's the same table that had the literally the week-old apples. Sometimes the loading gets so long that it actually really makes it seem like you can play it. I swear, if it actually works, I'll do that happiness noises thing I keep on seeing in comments that are not on my videos. Speaking of that, speaking of videos and comments, that doesn't sound good. I swear I heard a noise that went doo-doo-doo. It'd give me chills up my spine. Well, speaking of comments and videos, I actually comment and reply a lot on some videos. So I had to turn off reply and comments notification so I can actually get regular updates. Come on. Can't we just get this over with so I can get to sleep? Oh, this reminds me of something. One time, I watched a video about different ways to cook an egg at midnight. I swear I stay up at midnight way more than I usually do. Come on. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm actually playing it. I'm actually gonna get into it. I'm actually in. Oh my gosh. Hello, Mario. Hello, white screen. Yellow. I'm colorblind. Super Mario Maker. Super Mario Maker 2. Oh, 2. Yes. Here we go, boys. I'm holding a camera. Oh my gosh. We're getting straight into this. We make. Oh my gosh. 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 I actually play. I'm actually playing it. It's so beautiful. Who the hell are you? Nice to meet you. Cool. And I'm can't Burb man. Burb Mario. Wait, that's the name that my parents call me. Cool. Nina. Nina, clean up your food. I'm not sure how to feel about that. Mama. Cool. Now let's begin. Oh, I love this. Cool. This introductory lesson will cover the basics of making courses. The basics are really important, so you... I'm having a heart attack playing this. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to make some terrible levels that no one will play because I don't have multiplayer or the Connect online player. Oh my. I'm having a heart attack. I'm literally having a heart attack. Mind you, I played this when it was 12:06, so I'm probably playing it. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is the first time I'll ever see playing this. Yay! Can I just... Oh! I don't want to break it. Keep in mind that there's a limit to how many parts. They should have told us that in the original one. As you can see, parts you recently placed will appear along the... Oh yeah, about that. Cool. You can quickly check out. I'm vibrating so much because of this. Okay. I can barely do anything. I'll just... I don't know how copyright works, so I'll just... just walk along that. Okay, I'm so excited about that. Come on. Oh, it's also touch screen. I don't need this. Back to Course Maker. Okay. Okay. Good. I just messed up a lot. Yes, I know how to race. I know how to race, Burb. Mario Bird. Now let's do this. Bird people will be really happy that Yamamura Bird Mario is in this game. It looks like a witch. You monster! Those blocks that spam. The jokes are in this are so real. Ah, gosh dang. No, I don't. Underdog. Yes, where's Redo Cat? Where's Redo Cat? Tell me where you keep Redo Cat. If there's Undo Dog, there has to be Redo Cat. You know, the thing that undoes the undo. I want Undo Cat. My cat is very offended. Yay! You brutally erased. It sounds like that. It sounds like Nina's trying. It sounds like I'm actually a murderer. I'll murder everyone. Press that. Z multi-grab and copy. Cool. This enables you how. I love this game. The Reset Rocket. That's its name? I never knew its name. I called it Annoying Rocket when you destroy the world. To be clear, it will erase all of the parts from your... Yeah, no kidding. I don't know what that means, but you sound like I'm an evil villain. Camera, phone. Uh-oh. Three, two, one. I missed that so much. Congratulations, you ruined it. Savage. Savage. Congratulations, you ruined everything. I'm a murderer. You're right. I ruined everything. You know what I'm about to do now. You did this to me. You did this to me, Nintendo. Just kidding. Congratulations, you ruined everything. Aww. Oh, but first, I'll tell you how to save. Press this button to save all levels that you've made. Save early, save often, I always say. Yeah. You should have told me that when I was playing my Let's Go Eevee playthrough. I missed the chance of getting that Mewtwo, and it's all your fault. Because I didn't save. I'm sorry. I actually liked that. It was really funny. Yamamura's well, we're back here again. Exit. But it's getting to the good part. And so Mario's moveset. We all probably know about that. Dry Bones Shell. Shoot fire. Where's the Dry Bones Shell? How do I die? How do I bail? Oh, I do not want to bail. Baker lessons. Beginner. Advanced. I'm pretty much advanced. Seriously, treat the player fairly. Which troll levels didn't do. Triggered! How to be a better maker. That's what everyone needs to know. Who are in the easy category. I like the little seed. Alright, we'll go into Course Maker because I don't want to spoil the story. Well, first of all, let's ruin everything again. What? Wait, did you hear that? I swear I heard, make Mario, make Mario, make Mario, make Mario. Huh? Okay. See? I'm playing Mario Maker 2. Okay. Sorry about that. But this is a really good. What's this? Auto scroll. That's how you auto scroll. That's the themes. How do I ship? Oh, I did not mean to word it out like that. How do I ship? Forest. Is that how you ship? Height of the water or lava? I like to drown Mario. Go up a little bit so I could actually drown Mario properly. Wait, no. Down. I want to go down and then put this up. But, okay. Can I finish? Okay. Okay, that's it for Mario Maker 2.